guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sam, and today we have a really exciting unboxing, which is from my favourite brand, Louis Vuitton. I recently went on a trip for my birthday, my 25th birthday, to Paris. And when you're in Paris, how can you not buy Louis Vuitton? I usually really plan out my purchases, and this was really on a whim. I knew I wanted a pair of shoes from Louis Vuitton at some point, but when I saw these, I was like, these are me in a shoe. They're gorgeous, they're what I need, I'm taking them home. You may notice I've got a different backdrop. That is because I have moved out of London, out of my flat, to my family home, which is really nice to have a bit more space and relax and a bit of a breather from London. It can become a lot, I think. But enough chit chat, let's get on with the unboxing. So these are my first pair of Louis Vuitton shoes. I have never bought any Louis shoes. Obviously came in a shopping bag and then this box. Because I live in the UK and I bought them in Paris, you can get a tax rebate at the Eurostar airport, and for above a certain amount you get 12% off. So you get the voucher from Louis Vuitton or whatever store, and then you take it at the airport. So I got 12% off, which ended up being about £100. So I'm very happy about that. So it comes in this big box and just has the little blue pull tab, and we shall open. And then inside we've got two separate dust bags which hold the shoes with Louis Vuitton on them. So here is the shoe. They are a very sneakery sneaker. Don't know how else to describe them, but they are gorgeous. They're my favourite colour, brown, and it has just all the pieces and parts that I wanted in a shoe, especially a Louis Vuitton shoe. So it's called the LV sneaker, and most of them don't have this strap. To be honest, I kind of would have preferred it without, but everything else was so perfect about the shoe, so I overlooked that. So I just pulled them both out so you can see. We have the Louis and Vuitton on the back. Like, these are a cool pair of shoes, you cannot deny it, whether they're your style or not. Just like the level of detail, I am just really obsessed. Let's take a look at the details of the shoe. So on this side we have the most going on. We have the brown leather, which is almost like suede, how soft it is. This is a bit more suedey here. And then you have bits of more of like a beigey leather, and then a net here in white, with the brown emblem from the monogram behind it. We have Louis Vuitton in gold, and we have some more of the monogram here, and then the actual monogram print here with Vuitton on this shoe and Louis on the other. We also have Louis Vuitton Paris. I just love all the gold and brown. Obviously that is classic Louis Vuitton, but it's just really nice to have all of this on a shoe. And then really plain and simple for the inside of the shoe. And then up top we have the Louis Vuitton logo. Obviously the laces in a kind of like off-white colour, and then we have the strap here in brown with the monogram details. Just kind of does that. You can tighten the shoe, and then you have the leather in a off-white beige again. And on the inside you have the Louis Vuitton logo as well. And then if we flip it the other way, on the sole we have Vuitton and this really cool kind of basketball-y design. I just love the level of detail. Like, look at the little monogram here, and even, I don't know if you can really see that, all the little bits of the monogram on there and in here as well. Just the little eye for detail is just crazy. So this is the two shoes together. You have Louis and Vuitton, and yeah, what a pretty pair of shoes. So guys, this is a pretty real unboxing. I haven't actually worn these out yet, so I can't give a full review on how comfy they are, but I did wear them in the store and I have tried them on in the house, and they're very comfy. There's so much padding in there. It just feels really, really nice. For sizing, I tried quite a few on. I am typically a size 9/9.5 in shoes. I have a 9.5 in New Balance 550s, which I'd say are sort of similar to this. But I'm not really sure how the Louis sizing works because I thought these are like a 9.5. Actually on the inside, I don't know if you can see, probably not, is 8.5. So I don't know if their sizing runs one lower, but the 8.5 fits like a 9.5 to me. So if you're typically a UK 10, I would go for a 9 in this. If you're a US 11, I would go 9 in this. So that is the deal with these sneakers. I'm really happy I finally went and bought some. There's a few that I had saved on Vestiaire Collective that I was thinking of buying. Typically like cream and green ones I really liked, but I feel like with a nice pair of shoes, I feel like it's not the same as a bag. Like it is nicer when you have them brand new. Having someone else's feet in the shoes, it's not quite the same as getting a secondhand bag or a secondhand accessory. Also, just a note on Louis Vuitton quality. They are just a step ahead of the rest. I used to buy a lot of Balenciaga, and Balenciaga's got really expensive now, and it's probably nearly the same as Louis Vuitton prices. Like my 3XL sneakers that I've got a video, I'll put that somewhere. They are very comfy, very nice looking, but the quality is just not really there. Like, yeah, there's a bit of eye for detail, but on the inside of it, like here, where you put your foot in, it's ripped open, and I don't really know what to do about that. Whereas Louis Vuitton, I've never ever had a quality issue. These feel like £1,000 trainers. And one of my other recent purchases, this bag. Oh, just how nice do they go together? I'm so excited to wear these. And also my sunglasses. There's nothing like Louis Vuitton sunglasses. Most sunglasses from designers are all made by Luxottica. So literally same warehouse, same factory. They're all pretty much the same. They're all plastic. They're not really that special. Whereas these Louis Vuitton ones, they're just, the quality, everything is just, you know, these feel like a pair of £600 sunglasses, where I've spent £550 on plastic Balenciaga little wire sunglasses, and they just don't compare whatsoever. Oh, and price. So I think in the UK, these retail for about £1,050. And these were, I think, €1,100, which worked out about £950. Then if you take the extra £100 I got from the tax rebate, they ended up being about £850. So that is about a £200 saving that I got, so I'm pretty happy about that. So guys, that was my unboxing and initial review of my new Louis Vuitton trainers. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like this style? Is it not really your thing? Either way, you must admit, these are a pretty cool pair of sneakers. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want more fashion content, go over to TikTok and Instagram and follow me at Sam Scott Bills. Have a good rest of your week, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.